Welcome back, the XAGUSD trading projects here. Thank you for watching. This is actually part 4, the combination of both gold and silver analysis, which we have been talking about for the past 4 days or so. And if you didn't know, please revisit our YouTube channel at the XAGUSD trading projects Pty Ltd, and see our signals, our setups, and the analysis we have already given. So right now we're currently in profit. We just entered short on both gold and silver. So let's dig straight into it. Okay, what is this? Okay. This is the trade we just entered now. From our previous video, you remember when we say that let's fix this. On our previous video, you do remember we were right here. This was not yet visible. We say that we're not sure whether this is the last leg or price is going to come deep and continue and then gives us the last buyer. So we actually realized that no, this was the last guy. As you remember when we said that he tried to go up, remember this it was yellow right there. When we say that he tried to go up but then he failed, and then he came back to where he almost began, right? Yet this was our last guy, so we were supposed to have entered here. We did put as our sell stop, but we hesitated because so in the business we don't want to risk money for where there is uncertainty. Okay, so we allowed the market to retrace all the way down here, and then right now this is our last correction. After this, price is going to go north or south aggressively. So we just put an entry 5 minutes ago, and this is our stop loss. Let's walk you through why we put out right there. Let's go to the 5 minutes chart. Okay, so this is a $7 risk. Okay, when we place our what do you call it, our MACD, okay, as you can see, buyers began from here. As they were trending, they pulled back, they went up. Okay, good, a nice move right there. And then they pulled back again. They pulled back again, quite deep. Okay, and then they went again, but this time they slightly beat their recent high. Okay, and then they dropped aggressively down. So we are seeing let's just make this okay. We're seeing buyers, they come in, they retrace. Okay, that's good. From here they went, made a higher high from this year, an uptrend. Okay, and then they put back deep, which is not good. Okay, but still they made it. They made a slight higher high from this, but now it's different now, because on here they made a nice higher high, and then they retraced so deep. They made high high, but after a deep retracement, so this strong move looks fake, hence followed by a sharp downward movement. So from here we might expect something like this, and then price continues down. Okay, so for us this is a good fading momentum for us to say okay, it's time. All right, and give enough room for the market to breathe. Let's check on the silver, because this is gold, and by the way this is a live trade, a live account. So this is what we are looking at. And one thing on the MACD, almost forgot, when price made a higher high from there. Okay, because this is a higher low, this was the recent high, and then it bridged, making a higher high. Okay, this is good. MACD was also saying okay, we are in sync, as it made a deeper pullback. As you can see from here, it made a deeper pullback and made a higher high. Okay, uptrend. But on the MACD, the contrary is actually happening. Lower high or a higher low. You see, from here to here, from here to here, something is wrong. There's no the chart and the MACD are not in sync, so hence divergence, reversal upcoming. Okay, this is just something extra. We don't really depend on these indicators. We are price action traders. Okay, so this is what we are looking at. Okay, this will be our target. Okay, we'll put an entry here, so let's see how that will go. Okay, so now back on silver, the same thing, because silver and gold, they correlate a lot. So where am I gonna put this? Okay, let me just put something there. Okay. On silver, you remember again from the previous video we did the same thing. We didn't know that this is our last guy. We're waiting to see whether buyers are going to continue or drop. So they did drop. We would have put our sales stop here, but we're not sure. So we let price come down all the way down. The price come all the way down, and then as we see some struggle from this demand, you know, Let's walk you through it. We managed to pull an entry here. Let's do this quickly and give room for market to breathe. Let's just let me just do this quickly. And we didn't put our target, right? We can expect a higher low. A lower high. We're expecting lower lows from this. So let's not be stingy. This will be our target. Okay. So the same thing on gold. What did we enter? Oh, down there. Okay. This is fine. Let's leave it. All right. We were saying that this is where we put our entry. Same thing on gold. We saw buyers. Let's just go to the 5 minutes because that's where we do our killer entries. But on this one, it's a sideways movement, unlike gold, which was kind of trending. Buyers began from here, okay, and they did a slight pullback that you might not notice. Okay, and then they continued long. Okay, that's nice, uptrend, and then they pulled back almost deep because this is a spike. This is a spike down, so we don't. So we don't count it because from here to down there it's a spike. So they pull back all the way down to here. Okay, and then from there they pushed. They did not beat their record. Here, when they went up, they pulled back, they beat their record and they breached, making a new high. But when they pulled back deep, almost challenging where they challenging where the buyers began. They went way beyond where they began, and then they inched upwards, upwards. Where is this thing? Okay. Okay, they inched upwards, as you can see, and they did not beat their record, their recent low high, and then they crashed. So to us, that's a sign of momentum is dying. Prepare to sell. Thank you for watching. We'll keep you posted for further